Did you know you don't have to replace your entire stand mixer just to get this beautiful bowl? I'm Hannah with WTI, and this premium walnut wood mixing bowl from ADVANCEDSIL is so gorgeous. But it's not just pretty, it is functional too. It is designed to fit most 4.5 and 5 quart tilt head stand mixers, and it is a handcrafted wooden bowl. It has an incredibly smooth and naturally non-stick interior that makes mixing and cleaning up an absolute breeze. It is just the most beautiful bowl I've ever seen. It has the perfect stainless steel locking base, and I feel like I've given my entire kitchen an upgrade with this bowl. I am 110% obsessed. You need to get this bowl too, and that's my point of view.